This podcast is sponsored by Pooks.ai. Dive into a revolutionary reading experience with personalized ebooks and audiobooks, tailored just for you. Discover your next favorite book at Pooks.ai for free. That's POOKS.ai.
How trial and error shapes better learning and growth. Discover why learning through trial and error is a powerful, natural way to master new skills and how personalized education can support it. Why learning through trial and error is actually one of the best ways to grow. Hey, have you ever stopped to think about how much of what we know actually comes from just messing around, making mistakes, and figuring things out as we go? Learning through trial and error is something almost everyone experiences, whether we realize it or not. It's such a natural process, and honestly, it might be one of the most effective ways to really get new skills or knowledge embedded in our brains. Imagine when you were a kid trying to ride a bike for the first time. Nobody handed you a detailed manual, right? You fell off a bunch, maybe skinned your knees, but eventually you found your balance. That process of pilots crashing before flying perfectly, or scientists hypothesizing and testing countless times, it's all trial and error. Every error brings you a step closer to success. Now, from an education expert's perspective, trial and error is more than just a coping mechanism. It's a learning strategy that encourages exploration and resilience. When you fail, you're not really failing. You're collecting valuable data about what doesn't work. Then you adapt, tweak your approach, and try again. This cycle of experimentation is crucial for developing problem-solving skills and creative thinking. One interesting thing happening today is how personalized education is evolving with technology. Personal learning environments are getting smarter, and AI in education is playing a key role. AI personalized learning tools can track where you stumble most often and suggest tailored ways to practice, making it easier to navigate trial and error in a way that feels supportive rather than frustrating. So instead of random trial and error, it feels like a guided journey where you still get to experience that exploratory learning phase, but with a safety net. But here's the thing. Despite all these high-tech advancements, there's still something uniquely valuable about hands-on trial and error learning that no algorithm can replace. It's about feeling your way through a problem, testing ideas in real time, and learning to trust your instincts. You know that rush when you finally figure out a tricky recipe or fix something around the house after a few failed attempts? That satisfaction is proof of this method's power. Plus, when you personalize how you learn, whether by embracing trial and error, using technology, or combining both, it makes the learning experience way more engaging. For example, tools like Pooks.ai let you create your personalized book that caters exactly to what you want to learn. It's like building your own personal learning environment that supports your unique way of figuring things out, so you don't feel stuck or overwhelmed. Here's a simple tip if you want to get better at trial and error learning in your daily life. Celebrate mistakes. They're your stepping stones, not dead ends. Reflect on what didn't work, ask why, and try to understand the root cause. Keep a learning journal. Jot down your attempts, errors, and what you learned from them. If you want to explore these learning paths, check out Verversity, where you can find PhD-level online courses that can take your understanding of weather prediction or any other topic to the next level. Whether you're starting fresh or aiming to advance your knowledge, expanding your education through online platforms is a fantastic way to grow. Explore their courses now. It's easy to start, flexible, and you get the chance to learn from experts without leaving your home. In summary, weather prediction is a field grounded in constant education and innovation. It blends traditional science with modern technology, and thanks to online platforms and distance learning, it's accessible to a broader audience than ever. The better trained our meteorologists are, the better forecasts we get, and that's a win for all of us. And hey, if you want to take control of your personal learning and try out a smarter way to learn through your own interests, check out Pooks.ai. You can create your personalized book right now for free. It's like having your own customized study buddy who helps you stay curious, try new things, and keep learning in a way that feels just right for you. Learning through trial and error isn't messy or wasteful. It's the heart of mastering anything meaningful. So go ahead, embrace the stumbles, trust the process, and watch how much you grow.